Hello, my friends. Oi. Okay, I'm literally prepping for Simon Says Stamp's May release. Stay tuned. The June kit showed up. So I've literally dropped everything and I'm like, I need to film my unboxing video because the kit just went live literally like first thing this morning. So let's just dive right into it and see all the goodies. Oh yes. Okay. I don't know why I get such a weird kick. It's not even about like, yeah, anyone knows I'm a sugar fiend. I love candy and I like little candies because, you know, just the right hit. I just get a kick. I don't know. Did anyone else is subscribed to the kit? Like, are yours color coordinated or do I just luck out most of the time? I get a kick out of the fact that even like the sugar is color coordinated. So yeah, and it's limeade. Yum. Anyway, okay. Okay, this is the Leafy Frames card kit. As always, if you are new to my unboxing videos, I get them early because I am on like the design team for Simon Says Stamp, like to design with the kits. So they show up early for me because I do get a lot of people asking like, how did you manage to get it way before everyone else? That's why. So that's that. Also, what was my other disclaimer? I forget now. I'm too like wrapped up in the kit. I'll probably remember in a minute. Anyway, Leafy Frames. Oh, Leafy Frames card kit. You can do the subscription, monthly subscription that you can buy things individually, etc. I always link to everything. I also link, like I link to the kit. I link to the subscription page. I link to the questions and answers page that Simon has because a lot of the questions I get asked, like about shipping, different things, it's already answered in those links. So, okay. Leafy Frames card kit. We've got all kinds of pretty goodness. Let's just get right into the stamp set because I'm just like, that's always what I'm like all about. 6x8 stamp set. I'm loving that they do like big sets in these kits and this is really pretty. So yeah, this is the Leafy Frame stamp set, which has very pretty frame images, a bunch of individual images. Already I'm like, my guess is we'll hopefully have coordinating wafer dies for these later because I'm already wanting to like die cut, you know, stamp and heat emboss and watercoloring, but die cutting, like having die cuts for these frames especially would be really nice. But as of right now there isn't one, but a lot of times if there's enough demand they'll release them later. So got all these really pretty images, whole bunch of sentiments, which I really like. Always here for you, sending you joy and love. You know, you can build. I like that. I like being able to build sentiments. I like the just because one as well. So really pretty stamp set. Love. And then we've got pattern paper. This is Carta Botanical Garden paper. And just, of course, like the whole, everything's themed and like matches and all that stuff. It's really pretty, kind of like very hand painted looking. Oh, I like that. As soon as you add the pink to it, I'm like, yes. Really pretty. Ooh, I love that one too. I like all of it, really. This is just so pretty. Really pretty. Ooh. Love that one. Love. But then I like the stripes and all that fun stuff. So we've got that. Bundle of Kaisercraft coconut mini paper blooms, which are these. It's just funny because I saw the image of them, but seeing them in person, they're really pretty. We used to have, you know, the craft bag when I was little. I just remember that, and it was literally this garbage bag. The funny thing, okay, random story. We moved to an acreage when I was like in kindergarten or grade 1. So I was like 5, 6 years old, something like that. And I just remember there was this space under the stairs and there was this massive garbage bag. And I'm talking massive. The previous owner left it there and it was full to the brim of buttons and ribbons and those clusters of flowers. Remember how they all came on like little wires and those little tiny roses that were made out of like ribbon or whatever? Tons of them. Tons. I used to live in that bag. Like I played with all that stuff and was like cutting all the little flowers off and gluing them to absolutely everything. I'm amazed I didn't burn the house down because I had a hot glue gun in my room when I was like 7. You know, all that stuff. So anyway, that's what this reminded me of. This is the first thing I thought of. I'm like, I remember those little flowers. These ones are paper though. They're so pretty. So you could use them like as a cluster, or you can obviously take them like individually, and they're wired. This is pretty. Those are really pretty. So that was just a random little thing. So you got those, and then you get a jar of distress glitter in the clear rock candy. I really like this glitter. I actually have a big jar of this. Really neat thing about this glitter is it is not staticky. There's something that Ranger does in the manufacturing process of this that it's not staticky. You know how glitter just like clings to everything? Like it doesn't really cling even to the inside of this. I remember that being mentioned. Tim Holtz mentioned that in a video talking about like tinting. You can tint this with alcohol inks. That's another just random little side note. Stick some of this in a container, add a drop of alcohol ink, and give it a really, really good shake. You can tint the clear rock candy different colors. So just another random little tidbit. So you get that. You also get the glitter duster. So you can pour this into here. And the neat thing about this is when you use it, it literally just dusts glitter. So if you don't want to like dump massive amounts, you just want a really light amount of glitter on something, add a little adhesive, and then you like that, and it will just really lightly brush glitter onto it. So it's a really neat little tool that I do need to use more often, because again, I have a couple of these for different glitters. So you get one of those to try out, and then you get Simon envelopes. I love Simon envelopes. So we have a metallic leaf green, metallic black, which I don't even know if I'd seen the metallic black before this, but it is. Isn't that pretty? I love their metallic envelopes. They just add that extra level to, you know, your finished cards. You get a metallic leaf green, metallic gold, metallic black, and then you get the white envelope, which is not like a flimsy envelope either, like heavyweight. So you get those, and then you get some Simon brand cardstock. So we've got like green leaf, cotton candy, black, ivory, and then you get a piece of Desert Storm, Nina Desert Storm. So all this beautiful cardstock. And then last but certainly not least, you get a pack of Carta Garden Frames and Tags Ephemera. So all of these pretty little tags and things that you can use on cards or on scrapbook pages or whatever. Some of these like pop out. So you have just this pretty little frame. So then you could like use that and then, you know, stamp one of the sentiments, etc. Like really pretty. I wonder that. Ooh, see, you could have like that and then a sentiment. Anyway, oh, a ton of them. Tons and tons and tons. Whatever you are, be a good one. I like that quote. So there we go. That is the Simon Says Stamp June 2019 card kit. I will have the links, as always, in the description box below the video. All of that. I'll have a link to my blog and have picture links if you want to check it out that way. And I will hopefully very soon have videos. Like I said, stay tuned. There is a big, exciting release for May coming. As I'm filming this, I'm hoping to get this uploaded like right away. It's coming first thing tomorrow morning, which is, I don't even know what the date is today. Goodness. Today's the 14th. So May 15th. So I will, of course, I'll have more videos kind of like, things are coming. I'm finally feeling better. I'm sounding better. And I'm just like full steam ahead. I have a million things, a million things to do and post. So all that will be coming. As always, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for thumbs upping. Thank you for commenting, for subscribing, all of it. I really, really, really appreciate it. And again, as always, I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye.